Hey, what's going on today? I've got a new product from Talon Grips, the company that makes these textured grips for your pistols. Well, what they've done now is they're gonna line the bottom of your Yeti Ramblers. And this particular one fits both the 20 ounce and the 30 ounce Rambler. I've already put one on this one and you can see the difference. So we're gonna apply one to the 30 ounce Rambler real quick. I've already prepped the bottom with the supplied alcohol wipe. Just need to peel the Talon grip from its backer. And you'll see it's got the Yeti logo on it, and it actually matches the Yeti logo on the bottom of the Rambler. So you just need to line it up, stick it, work it from the center out so you have no air bubbles, and voila. Easy as that. Now the bottom of my 30 ounce is going to be as quiet as my 20 ounce, and which is nice when you have granite countertops or an expensive coffee table. It won't scratch it up. So there you have it. Another innovative product from Talon Grips. Check out Talon Grips for their full line of pistol grips, and stay tuned to the Gear Bunker for all kinds of crazy new products like this one.